Hello everyone, welcome again to this 30-day freelancing challenge for mechanical engineers. This is day 9. And in the last day, that is on day 8, I had explained you what is portfolio. I had also explained you what things needs to be included inside the portfolio and what things that you need to avoid. Apart from that, I had also taken some portfolio examples and I had shown you how a portfolio should look like, what mistakes needs to be avoided. But today we will be learning how to create a portfolio. I will show you how we can create a portfolio from scratch using an online tool, and the tool name is Canva. If you don't have access to this tool, just don't worry. This is completely free tool, and to get started into this tool, I had already given the link into the video description below. You can also find the link to get into this tool, to create an account into this tool. You will find that link into the challenge page. So just click on that link and start working with me, start creating with me, and start developing your portfolio with me. So let's move on to my screen and I will show you how we can develop a completely new portfolio from a scratch for you, and you will see how you can also do it. The moment you will click on the link provided by me, you will see a screen like this. Here you can see I had opened this link using my Chrome browser onto my laptop, and this website is known as canva.com. So it's basically a simple online graphics design tool where you will find lots of different templates. Some are paid, some are free, but for this tutorial, for this challenge, I will be using free template, and by using that template we can develop our portfolio. So what I will do over here, I will simply click on login. So if you are a first time user onto this platform, you had to click on this sign up button, right? So since I already had the account, I will simply click on the login option, and I will use my Gmail account that I had already used to log in into this Canva tool. So I will click on this Gmail account and I will simply get logged in because my Gmail is synchronized with this browser right now. So I will just select my Gmail account and will click on continue. And this platform is completely safe and secure, so you don't need to worry about your files and all the stuff that you are uploading onto this platform. Now when you will first log in into this platform, here you can see, you will see a interface like this. So what you have to do right now is, as you can see on the center of your screen here on the search bar, simply write portfolio and press enter, and you will be able to see all the templates available into this tool. Some are paid and some are free. As you can see, this is a free template, whereas this one that says pro at the right bottom corner is a paid template that we cannot use at this moment. Since we are completely onto the free account. So I will scroll down and will try to find some portfolio template that is free and that is looking great. So if I will just scroll down, I will be able to find something that is good and will suit according to my need. As you can see, this is one of the portfolio template that I find very creative, and also I think it will suits as per my need. So what I will do, I will simply click on it and I will click on this customize this template, right? And a new window will pop up on a different tab. As you can see over here, I will make sure that whenever I had clicked on that and when the new tab is open over here, I will click on apply all pages, whatever pages is available inside the template. And if I will click on apply all pages, then I will be able to see all the pages onto my screen. If I will scroll down, as you can see that. Now as you can see, the first page is all about including your introduction. If you can include your name over here, or your brand, or your website name if you want to include. So what I will do, I will change my name over here to my name. Here you can see I had just changed the name. Now I will also change the website address over here according to my website. Now if we'll scroll down, we'll be able to see other pages, but we don't need those pages because we don't want to include this information. So you will be able to see this delete page option over here just above the page. I will click on this delete page and that page got deleted. Now the next page, and this is also we don't need, so we'll click on the delete page. And now this page is important because here we can include our profile pic, and we can also write a short introduction about ourselves. So what I will do, I will edit this page and I will include my profile picture and will also write a short introduction. So now you can see I had just updated the introduction part and I also updated the name over here. Now one more thing, as you can see these colors, if you don't like it yellow, what you can do, just select the text, and if you go on to the top here you can see it says text color. If you click on it, you can change it to any of the color. For example, if I want to go with this blue, I will select that. So everything you can customize onto this templates. And even if this color, I will try to make it blue. Here you can see that. Now what I will do, I will change this color as well, because every color I want to be very consistent. So I will change this to blue, and this one also blue. So you can see how easily I'm customizing this page. Right now what I will do, I will upload an image, and I will change this profile picture. So I will click on this upload icon that you can see onto the left side of your screen. Just click on this upload icon, then click on upload files, and then just go onto your desktop. So I will go onto my folder and will find my files that I want to upload. For example, like let's say this image, and it will take few seconds. Here you can see it got uploaded. I can simply drag it and paste it over here. The image just got changed. So you had to, you can also adjust this image. So if you just double click on the image, you can adjust its orientation and position. So you can see this is the second page I had just finished. Now before we'll move on to the next page, what I will do, you can see the name of this file over here. So I will just change this to portfolio. Here you can see I will press enter. So name of this file just got updated. Now we'll move on to the page 3. Now we are into page 3. As you can see here, we can add our personal skills. So what I will do, before adding our personal skill, I will change the color to the text to blue again, since this is the color theme we are following. And I will delete this text. I don't want to keep this one. Now here, instead of graphics design, we can change this to 3D modeling. Now the next one, we can write 3D printing, and in the next one we can write technical drawings. Here you can see that. Now I'm not going to change the images, but you can do it very easily. You can simply upload some of your 3D modeling files that you had created, and you can upload that. Let's say I want to use this 3D model, so I will select that, and this I will drag this image and keep it over here. Now in the 3D printing section, I will upload some 3D printed object, any project that I had finished as a mechanical engineer. So I will select that, let's say this one, some stuff, and it will get uploaded. I can drag it and place it over here. Now inside the technical drawing, I can just go on to my drawings and design. I can select any of my technical drawings that I had created, and I can use that. I can select the image, I can upload it, and once it will get uploaded, I can drag it onto this area. So you can see this way it will give an idea inside my portfolio, like these are all my personal skills. Now I will move on to my next page. Again, you can change the color of this text and the backgrounds. It's completely onto you. Now in the next page, I can include my education. I can include my year of education, my university. So these things is completely temporary. If you want to do that, you can do it, but it's not necessary. So here I will simply delete it. I don't want to keep that page. I will also delete this page. I don't need that. Now here is the portfolio items. Now what I will do, here you can see it says project portfolio. Right, in the description you can write something if you want to write, otherwise simply delete it. Change the website name like we did in the earlier pages. So I'm not going to change at this moment, so you can do that. Now in the project one, let's say we had added some 3D modeling of pressure vessel. We can write something like this, pressure vessel. And what we did in the project one, we had written 3D modeling of pressure vessel. So if you'll go on to the project one, this is my project one. I will change the image to pressure vessel, and I will include more information over here. I can include some other image of this pressure vessel as well. If we had a 3D model, we can take some close snapshots and we can include it over here. We can also write the description of it, like how we did it, what we did it into this project. If you had developed this 3D model of pressure vessel using technical 2D drawing, you can write that description over here. So that way you can start adding the project, and this way it will give a very clear instruction to your clients, to the person with whom you are sharing your portfolio. So don't just create a single portfolio, create multiple portfolio of different domains, like one for sheet metal, include all your sheet metal projects in one portfolio, one for plastic design, include all your plastic design projects into that portfolio. So that way you will have multiple portfolios, and whenever someone will asking you for your work samples, just send the exact thing that he is asking for. If he is asking for sheet metal, send him the sheet metal portfolio. So this way you can design your portfolio. And let me know if you are having any question, and at the end of this sheet, make sure that you had included all of your contact information, like your phone number, email. These things are really very necessary. If you have some company registration you can include that as well, so that will give them the confidence. So this is the way you can start creating your portfolio. And once your portfolio is ready, what you have to do now is you can click on this share icon, and then on the bottom you can click on this download, and from here you can download it as a PDF. And the moment you will click on the download, it will take few seconds and it will get downloaded onto your browser as a PDF that you can utilize. Here you can see it just got downloaded, right? And if I'll go on to my downloads, here you can see it's getting downloaded of 4.6 megabytes right now, and it will take few seconds and it will get downloaded. So that way you can do that. And again, if you go on to the share icon, I can also, if you go on to the more, I can also include this, share this portfolio onto my LinkedIn profile or onto my LinkedIn page. I can also embed this into my website. If I do have a website, if I want to include this portfolio into my website, I can do that. So these are all the options we are getting with this tool, and this is all for free. You don't need to pay. You just need to click on the link that I had provided, click on that link, create an account, sign up for this Canva tool, and you can start creating the amazing portfolio. I had shown you in the day 8 like how people are creating their portfolio. They are very simple, not very attractive, but if you use this tool, you can customize your portfolio, you can customize your projects, you can make it presentable. So follow this. And challenge for the today is that you had to create something, you had to create a portfolio of at least one page. Come on to this tool, create a portfolio of at least one page, generate that as a PDF, and upload it into our 3 dash community. That's the challenge for the today, that is for the day 9. So I hope all of you will be finishing this challenge, and we'll see you in the next challenge, guys. Thank you so much.